Windshield wipers stuck on? It's a common issue, often electrical. The most frequent culprits are a faulty switch or relay, about 40% of cases. The switch might be physically stuck, or the relay fails to cut the power. Other causes include corroded or shorted wiring, especially in harsh climates. A jammed wiper motor can also cause this issue. In newer cars with rain sensors, glitches in the sensor or the body control module can keep them running. Even rare mechanical binding in the wiper linkage can cause continuous motion. Let's quickly recap these reasons and move on to how to fix them. Step 1. Safety first. Turn off the ignition and ensure wiper arms are not moving. Step 2. Diagnose with multimeter, test switch, and relay for continuity. Step 3. Check fuses. Inspect fuses in the fuse box for issues. Step 4. Fix stuck switch. Gently pry free or replace it. Cheap fix. Step 5. Swap relay. Replace with a known good one. Step 6. Advanced diagnosis. Use OBD2 tool to scan for BCM codes. Step 7. Replace motor sensor for faulty components. More involved repair. Step 8. Test all settings. Verify wiper settings after repair. Step 9. Consult professional. If issues persist, especially in EVs, seek expert help. Step 10. Prevention. Clean wiper arms and lubricate linkages.